All right, so one of the things I'm looking forward to in the first half 2026 release is this employee data integration agent. So this is going to be built right into the data replication monitor. So if you have payroll with SuccessFactors Employee Central, then what's going to be new here is a Joule button over here where you'll have a diagnose. And so what this looks like is it goes to that specific individual and it says, hey, why did the replication fail for this? And then Joule is able to analyze it. So it actually goes into the text, understands it a little more, and then provides more context. And says, hey, I analyzed Michael's data and I found, hey, this cost center field is empty. And then it actually goes a step further. So it actually says, I looked at his peers who are under the same manager, and they all have this particular cost center for the employees in the US. Since he's in the company code US and this is his location, I'm recommending that this is the appropriate cost center. And then the cool thing is this can actually do the update as well. So it gives you the proposed solution. You can say, yes, go ahead. And then it'll go ahead and update that data. So you don't have to navigate to the profile. You don't have to plug anything in. So it's actually helpful to get that context, get a recommendation, but still provide the go ahead and actually update that. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Then you can navigate over there, and if you'd like to, you can see that now the cost center has been maintained by Joule. So yeah, nice functionality. I think we're getting beyond just employees updating things, and now making this useful for HR admins, and not only giving context, but providing the recommendation and making it easier for them to do their jobs as well. So I'm excited about this. I think it'll be very useful for people as well. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and appreciate it.